The complainant Amita Tudu, PW7, as per the written report, at the relevant time, was the president of Village Education Committee, Middle School, Korapara, budget meeting for the training for 2008-2009 was scheduled for 18/12/2007, and after the meeting, meal packets were to be distributed to those who were participating in the budget meeting. Around 1:30 p.m. on the said date, the complainant was about to hand over the meal packet to the appellant, Then all of a sudden, the appellant snatched the meal packet from complainant hands, abused her with respect to her community, and also uttered that she belonged to a low caste which relishes meat of pig and cow, and even a dog will not eat from her hands, and that how dare she give her the packets, and also called her by her tribal name Santhal, and left the school premises. The complainant further stated that in this manner she had been abused and insulted in the presence of many teachers and trainees, which caused her mental harassment. The said complaint was registered as FIR number 05 of 2007, Police Station Jamatra, District Jamatra, under Section 504 IPC and Section 3 small I small x of the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. After investigation, a charge sheet was submitted, cognizance taken by the special court, and the trial was conducted. The finding of conviction under Section 504 IPC has been concurrently recorded by the trial court as also by the High Court in appeal based upon appreciation of the evidence led by the prosecution. In that view of the matter, we are not inclined to enter into appreciation of evidence at this stage and accordingly confirm the conviction. However, insofar as the sentence is concerned, learned counsel for the appellant submitted that the appellant may be extended the benefit of the provisions contained in the Probation of Offenders Act, 1958. Accordingly, the appeal is being considered on the above issue of sentence. Section 3 of the 1958 Act confers power upon the court to release certain offenders after admonition when a person is found guilty of having committed an offence punishable under Section 379 or Section 380 or Section 381 or Section 404 or Section 420 of the Indian Penal Code, or any offence punishable with an imprisonment for not more than 2 years, or with fine, or with both, under the Indian Penal Code or any other law, and there is no previous conviction proved against such offender. In the present case, the conviction is under Section 504 IPC, where the maximum sentence provided is 2 years. There is no previous conviction of the appellant. Further, Section 11 of 1958 Act provides that an order under this Act may be made by any court empowered to try a sentence the offender to imprisonment, and also by the High Court or any other court when the court comes before it on appeal or in revision. Thus, this court under the 1958 Act itself can pass an order at this stage. Over.